Hey friends, this is Latif for Well and welcome to the new update on Band Protocol. And this token has surged more than 9,000% since after March 2020. And this is the most biggest gainer among the top 50 cryptocurrencies and tokens. And if we move to the charts, then it was already forming the different harmonic moves. Like for example, on the daily chart first, the Band Protocol formed a bad pattern, and after that the Band Protocol formed another shark pattern after taking the bullish divergence from this potential reversals on of this bad pattern. And this is a very important point. Whenever any coin or token or any other asset, for example, if you're trading stocks or fiat currencies as well, and if any price action starts forming the different harmonic moves at least up to daily chart, then you can have an idea then there is something going to happen with that asset or the price action, and that is going to explode very soon. For example, here we have seen first the bat formation, then we have the shark formation, and after entering in this potential reversals on, the price action surged more than 9,000%. Same as like the Bitcoin did. For example, I have been sharing the different harmonic moves of the Bitcoin with you guys, and that it is forming the different harmonic moves on the daily chart. Let me just show you. And this was my last article on the Bitcoin daily chart harmonic moves that I have already shared with you guys as well. And here, every move I have been sharing with you. First, the Bitcoin formed the bad pattern. Then it formed another bad pattern, and I predicted that as per Fibonacci sequence of the bad pattern, it will be moved up from here. Then it formed another bullish shark pattern, and this was my last move or chart that I have shared with you on the Bitcoin daily harmonic moves, and this was the bullish cipher pattern. At that time, the Bitcoin was supposed to enter here. That starts from 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement as per bullish cipher sequence, and from here it was supposed to take the bullish divergence, and I predicted as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher, then it will be moved up from here. And finally, the price action spiked beyond $12,000. Same as like these moves, the Band Protocol also did that. That after a sequence of the harmonic moves, even this is also another harmonic move, you can see. And the price action took a powerful bullish divergence and produced more than 9,000% rally. For example, if you have missed this rally, then we can also see that it has already started another powerful bullish rally, and that is due to the sequence of the positive announcements. For example, this was the Hobbit listing. We can see that this announcement was added on 4th of August, and here we can also see that a Coinbase Pro listing, and this announcement was added on the 6th of August. And here is another big event announcement that was added on 11th of August. That was XT Exchange listing. Now, if we move to the CoinMarketCap.com, and if we watch the historical data, for example, we had the first positive announcement on the 31st of July. That was that was this announcement of Crypto.com listing on 31st of July. You can see this is the date. And if we watch on 31st of July, the volume was $16.5 million, and at that time the market cap of Band Protocol was $86.7 million. And now if we move to the current situation, then we have the volume at $124 million, and if we watch the market cap, that is $302 million. So the market cap has increased more than 248%, and the volume is increased more than 650%. And this is the buying volume, because we have seen that it has surged more than 9,000%. And after this announcement, the first announcement of the Band protocol listing on the crypto.com, it has surged more than 350% so far. If we see, this was the 31st July. This is a live daily chart. The price action start moving up, and it surged more than 350%. It started from $3.90 and spiked up to $17.78. At this time, it has found the resistance at this level, that is almost at $15. We have even seen the spikes beyond this resistance level, but the price action is not able to break out this resistance so far. And if we want the different moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, then a complete open alligator mouth is formed. And now the price action has very strong support of 25, 50, 100, and 200 simple moving averages just beneath this price line. Now there are two possibilities, because there is a very big distance between the moving averages and the price action. You can see this is the 25, even the 25 and the price action distance between the 25 simple moving average and the price action is very big. For example, if the price action will move down, then it can retest this 25 simple moving average, or 50 or 100 or 200. Maybe, in my point of view, it can retest the 25 simple moving average in case it will be drop down. So that will be a correction rally, because whenever the price action starts any bullish move, then it uses any support of the moving averages. So we have a very fast moving average that is 25, and you can see that the price action has been using this moving average as support. So there is another possibility that the price action will move down to use this 25 simple moving average as support. And the other possibility is that the price action is forming another bull flag. For example, if we see, then the price action is forming the different bull flags. This was the previous bull flag, and this is the current bull flag that the price action is likely to form. And you can see that the candlesticks are being consolidated at this level. Now if we switch to the 4-hour small time period chart, then it can be very clearly seen that the price action has formed a pen, and even this is a symmetrical triangle, and the price action is at the end of this triangle at this time. And after hitting at this resistance of this triangle, the price action is again likely to move down, and soon we will have a breakdown, or this is a breakdown, and we can also have a breakout as well from this triangle. Maybe if we will have the breakout, then we can see another powerful bullish move. And if the price action will break down this symmetrical triangle, the support of this symmetrical triangle, then there is a very strong possibility that the price action will move up to this 25 simple moving average to use this SMA as support for the next bullish move. And if the price action will break out this symmetrical triangle that has been formed on the 4-hour chart, and we can see in the form of a bull flag here, then 25 simple moving average can move up very fast, and it can provide the support at this level to the candlesticks. So I'm just waiting for the breakdown and breakout. And if we calculate the time period by placing this measurement tool on this triangle from this candlestick up to the end of this triangle up to this level, then we can see that we have 16 hours left. So within a day we can have a breakdown or breakout by the price action. So very soon I'll post another update when the price action will be out from this triangle. Till then, goodbye.